Welcome back to the channel, everybody, or for your first time stopping in, welcome. Today, we're gonna go to my parents' place. They bought a new pool. They've had an old above ground pool they've had for several years now, and the frame's starting to look in a little poor shape. So they picked up a new one this spring to replace it from Costco and got it before they got sold out. So we're gonna go over there, we'll take down the old pool, make sure you get all the drain out of the way, clean off the base they have. They have a crushed limestone base that's packed down well with tarps and such on it, and then some pea gravel around the outside that's been put over the years. But we'll get that all cleaned up, get the new liner out, put the frame up, put it all together and start filling with water. And then maybe in another video, I'll give you guys a recap of how it's all finishly set up. You know, the pump's running, full water level, and you know, when we've got some nice weather to be outside. So hope you guys will stick around, and maybe if you're looking at a pool like this, you'll find this helpful. Alrighty, we got the old pool tore down. Now we leveled these bottom blocks, and it's time to set the new liner out on top and go from there. Let's get to it.
All right, we got it all the way up, and the wind decided to pick up, obviously, but we got filling some water. Once we get an inch or two in the bottom, we'll go ahead and smooth the liner out, get everything tight, and see how it goes. But it's turning out pretty good. As this fills up, you'll see this wall come out, get straight. So
really the only hard lesson we learned today was make sure you get a lot of the wrinkles out of inside the liner when you start filling it. I didn't quite get it on tape. As you try to smooth out the bottom layer, it's really kind of difficult when you get that last inch or two in. We got most of the wrinkles out, but again, you know, that's one of our lessons learned today. And that's what this channel is about, is sometimes I have to learn the hard way so you don't have to. And again, this all turned out really well, and I'll get you guys back in the loop when we have the pool filled with all the pumps running, and give you our honest feedback on how we think the assembly went. So thanks again for stopping in today, everybody. Just remember, I learned the hard way so you don't have to. Thanks again. Until next time, it's Kyle signing out.